I'm going to show you how to test hardness using Mohs hardness scale. The first test is whether or not the rock can be scratched with your fingernail. So you're going to hold the rock and scratch, or attempt to scratch with your fingernail. If no scratch occurs, then you'll move to the next test, which is scratching with a nail. Attempt to scratch with a nail, and if you see a scratch, then you know that that mineral must have a hardness of 5 or less, or about 5.5 or less. One other test you can do then to narrow it down to maybe a 3 or a 4 on the hardness scale is to attempt to scratch a penny. If the penny is not scratched, then this mineral has a hardness of 3. If the mineral scratches easily with your fingernail, it has a hardness of 1 or 2. Other minerals are much harder and are not able to be scratched with your fingernail, nor are they able to be scratched with a nail, but they are able to put a scratch in a penny or a piece of glass, or even the nail itself. If the mineral can scratch a penny, its hardness is going to be 6 or above. If it's able to scratch the glass, it's going to be above 6. And if it's able to scratch the nail, it will be a 7 or above on the hardness scale. So this rock, this mineral that was able to scratch the nail, is at least a 7 on Mohs hardness scale.